Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Hare
The lotus feet of our spiritual master are the only way by which we can attain pure devotional service. I bow to his lotus feet with great awe and reverence. By his grace, one can cross the ocean of material suffering and obtain the mercy of Krishna. My only wish is to have my consciousness purified by the words emanating from his lotus mouth. Attachment to his lotus feet is the perfection that fulfills all desires. He opens my darkened eyes and fills my heart with transcendental knowledge. He is my Lord birth after birth. From him ecstatic prema emanates. By him ignorance is destroyed. The Vedic scriptures sing of his character. Our spiritual master is the ocean of mercy, the friend of the poor, and the Lord and master of the devotees. O Master, be merciful unto us. Give us the shade of your lotus feet. Your fame is spread all over the three worlds. We take shelter at your lotus feet.
हरे कृष्णा नहीं यार हरे कृष्ण
Sri Guru Charana
शिव जयो जयो गौरा छंदे आरती को शोभा शिव जयो गौरा छंदे आरती को वासा छत्रधारा श्री वासा छत्रधारा भीम बसी আছে ঘোরাছা रत्ना सिंहासनी बसी रत्ना सिंहासने आरती को लेना ब्रह्मा आदि देवा गणे आरती को आदि देवा गणे शिव नर हरि आदि गौरी संजय मुकुंद भाषु घोष आदि गाया संजय मुकुंद भाषु विभशंखा घंटा बाजे बाजे करताला शिव शंका बाजे घंटा बाजे बाजे करताला मधुरा घंटा बाजे परम रसा परम रसा शंखा बाजे घंटा बाजे मधुर 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 बाजे मधुर मधुर बाजे विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल हरी बोल हरी बोल विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल हरी बोल हरी बोल विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल शिवबहू कोटी चंद्राजिनी वदन उज्ज्वल शिवबहू कोटी चंद्राजिनी वदन उज्ज्वल तोरे विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल हरी बोल हरी बोल विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल हरी बोल हरी बोल विठ्ठल गौरा हरी बोल नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी इति नामिने नमो Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare हरिहराय नमः कृष्णयाय नमः माधवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमः गोपाल गोविंद नाम श्री मधुसूदना गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन मोहना गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन मोहना Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Jaya Radha Madhava Radha Madhava जय गौरांग महाप्रभु की
नमस्ते नरसिंहाय लाद लाद दायिने हिरण्यकाशी भगवान की, भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय।
Request everyone to bow in the front of deities. जयम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर जय श्री भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की। जयम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर जय भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर गोस्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की। नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की। प्रेम से कहो जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवास आदि गौर भक्त वृंद की। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड वर्धन की। ब्रजभूमि वृंदावन धाम की। नवदीप मायापुर धाम की। पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की। श्री गंगा मई की। श्री यमुना मई की। तुलसी देवी की। भक्ति देवी की। कलि पावन हरिनाम संकीर्तन की। All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories, all glories, all glories to Shri Guru and Shri Gauranga. Shri Shri Radha Madhav ki. Chitai Gaur Premanande.
A couple of newcomers here. Anybody over there? Any newcomers over there? Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you all so much for coming today. Some members of our newcomer team will come look after you. And to just provide a brief overview of how the program is going to run, I'm going to give a few announcements right now. And then soon after, we will have our Vedic discourse. And then after that, we will have our final kirtan. And then we'll have prashadam around 6:40. And one of the ways that we start our program is to recite a quote by our founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada. So the quote is as follows: "Devotional service must continue under all circumstances. This material body is actually a bad bargain because it is prone to suffer. But we must make the best use of this bad bargain. That means to always be engaged in the service of Krishna without fail." So now into some general announcements. we have launched a new email address for online interactive donations. The email address is donations@iskonmississauga.com. We kindly request everyone to start using this email address for donations, and the other email address will soon be decommissioned. And in terms of special announcements and events that are coming up, we will be celebrating Narsimha Chaturdasi on April 30th, which is a Thursday, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. here at Vic Johnston Community Center. We have also introduced a reading club to encourage everyone to systematically read Srila Prabhupada's books. And the book for this month, for the month of April, is titled Life Comes from Life. For all the newcomers, we will provide this book for you. You can come speak to me and I can help get the books into your hands. We have also introduced a new Manjari group every Thursday for 30 minutes for devotees that are very new to Krishna consciousness, very new to the practice of Bhakti Yoga. And this is an opportunity to help you get acquainted with some of the philosophy and to also understand what are all the practices that we do. So this will be every Thursday for about 30 minutes. And you can come speak to me again and help you get acquainted with the correct people. Next Saturday, we have a Vaishnava etiquette course that is scheduled from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the meeting room that is located at Vic Johnston Community Center. Any interested devotees, please reach out to Suchara Mataji. Is Suchara Mataji here? I believe she's inside, but Okay, I was just told that the first group for Vaishnava etiquette course is already filled, so if you're interested, please come speak to Suchara Mataji. I'll help you connect with her afterwards to join in the next session. We also have a monthly sloka recitations that we've started. It's 30 minutes monthly, and it's every Friday. We also have shlokas recitation for children ages 5 to 15 every Friday from 8 p.m. On Zoom, online. And again, you can speak to me and I can help you get acquainted so that you can enroll your children in shloka recitations. So today, our Vedic discourse will be given by His Grace Ananda Madhav Das. He's here with his wife Nalisha, and just as a brief background about Ananda Madhav Prabhu here, he's a disciple of His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj, and he has spent over 15 years practicing Bhakti Yoga. Some of the notable things that Ananda Madhav Prabhu has done is he has spent 3 months as a monk at the Bhaktivedanta Manor, and he has also founded the Bhakti Yoga Club, which is a group of clubs all across Ontario and also in Calgary. He has opened around 10 to 15 clubs, and he provides mentorship, holds events, and encourages and shares Krishna consciousness and the process of Bhakti Yoga with youth, and also encouraging other youth to also share with their friends. Professionally, he holds a Doctor of Pharmacy, and he now serves as the Director of Product and Patient Business at AstraZeneca, and he's also helping to drive their AI innovation. Today, Prabhu will be speaking on the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verses 10 through 23. And without any further ado, I'd like to let Ananda Madhav Prabhu get started with his video. For the health and longevity of His Holiness Jayapatak Swami Maharaj, as well as a few devotees from our community, namely Padmaja Mataji and Lakshmi Mataji, for their continued recovery and health. So on a count of 3, let's chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Also, our book distribution team has recorded distributing 26 books in the last week. And 22 of those 26 books were the Bhagavad Gita. So, amazing job. If you're interested in taking some of the books, like the Bhagavad Gita or any of other Srila Prabhupada's books, we have them over there. And you can speak to the devotees there for how to acquire them. So now we will have our final kirtan, and after that we will have a prasad. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamini Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare